Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best video doorbell. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Maotewang Visual Intercom Doorbell. Brand name, Maotewang. Aluminum alloy panel of indoor unit, fashionable and luxury. Little rain and oxidation proof for the durable aluminum alloy outdoor unit. 7-inch color TFT LCD without radiation, low power consumption and high definition. Ear cut 1000 TVL ear camera with night vision. Electric lock control function. Mute indoor intercom function. Monitoring the outside of the door. 16 kinds of doorbell rings, volume, brightness and contrast adjustable. Easy installation by yourself with adapter and cable we provide in this kit. Camera, 1 3-inch seamless 1000 line. Number 4. Jtone Video Door Intercom. Brand name, Jtone. Indoor monitor is made of acrylic wire drawing panel and TFT display. Very elegant design. It adopts advanced touch technology. With sensitive blue and red light. 1200 TVL resolution camera, view more clearly. Our 7-inch video door phone set supports connecting with per detector, analog camera and electronic lock. It can protect your home and property in all aspects. Dual-way intercom, call transfer among monitors. Video or picture record, South Dakota card supported. Rust-proof aluminum alloy anti-vandal panel. IP65 weatherproof. Ear LED offset lighting can obtain better evening viewing. It helps you identify the visitors even in the dark night. Number 3. Maotewang Video Intercom Doorbell. Brand name, Maotewang. 7-inch color TFT LCD with sensitivity touch panel. No radiation, low power consumption. Infrared LEDs for night vision, more convenient. Rainproof cover design, anti-oxidative outdoor unit with piano bake slacker panel. 25 kinds of rings for selection. Piano bake slacker panel design on indoor unit, more fashionable and luxury. Hands-free intercom, 1-button touch makes perfect experience. Support maximum 1 outdoor unit with 4 indoor units. Support 2000 ID cards on lock, passwords on lock, remote controls on lock. Embedded IR cut filter provides enhanced picture and color quality. Number 2. Mazon Smart IP Video Door Intercom. Brand name, Mazon. High quality. 7-inch LCD monitor and mini doorbell. 7-inch TFT display monitor with slim design, touch key operation, hand-free. Outdoor doorbell with waterproof cover. Built-in infrared sensor. 1200 TVL camera. 100-degree wide view angle. Night vision, rainproof, dustproof, and anti-vandal. It can connect all the electronic lock. Unlock, monitor, smartphone and tablet unlock. Next generation smart video door phone intercom system. Number 1. HomeFong Wi-Fi Door Video Intercom. Brand name, HomeFong. HomeFong HD 10-inch touchscreen wireless video intercom system. 10-inch full touchscreen. Wi-Fi wireless connect to smartphone. Please install app IP Doorbell. Connect monitor to your home Wi-Fi or network if you need to connect to smartphone. App real-time control, two-way talk, unlock, recording videos, images. Support up to 10 mobile devices connect at the same time. Support 4 Windows monitoring at the same time, or 1 Windows monitoring. Support electric lock unlock, support connect different electric locks. External memory card, up to 512 GB. 5 ringtones choice, 530s ringtime choice, 5 levels volume. Wi-Fi Smart IP Video Intercom, support iOS and Android system. 130-degree wide-angle doorbell. Camera sensor, 1x3-inch CMOS, 1080p. Night vision, IR light.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. In this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.